At the scene of the accident, the police report asks what happened. Oh, I fell asleep. I was taking cold medicine, and it gets captured in the accident report. And when Hertz sees that, they cite line and verse of the agreement and said you were under the influence of a drug that affected your ability to drive safely, and they denied it, and they gave the bill to the employee that rented the vehicle for the damaged car. Second one we're aware of is somebody that had 2 glasses of wine over the course of an evening, again got in a car accident. Police officers smelled alcohol. They breathalyzed him at the scene, well below any intoxicated level, but that was documented in the accident report again. And when the person submitted it to Hertz and said, hey, I signed up for this loss damage waiver. I should have coverage, right? And they said, no, you don't. Read the line and verse. It says, under the influence of alcohol. It doesn't say legally intoxicated. And again, it was denied. So the problem with accepting it is not a foolproof. There's some little caveats and little razor blades buried in these agreements. So that's some of the cons. So in light of that, what are the options if you reject the coverage? Well, there's the concept of the credit card that you're renting it with giving coverage. And I kind of call that a myth, and we'll explore why I call it a myth. Your organization's own business auto policy, your employee's personal auto policy, or the option that another option is to split that between both policies, and we'll explore that one in a little more detail. Let's talk about this first one, the credit card coverage myth. First off, this coverage is typically only there if there's no other coverage. It's an excess basis. And I'll give you a little version from some of these agreements. And I'll read an agreement. This is very typical in these agreements, whether it's Visa, American Express. This is what it says. It says, if you do not have personal auto insurance or any other